Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miss McBlush. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my affordable foundation routine for the days when I have to leave my house, even with a mask on. The foundation that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless in the shade 115. Now I know what you're thinking, my skin is dry and this foundation is matte. How does that work? This foundation is matte, but it is not drying matte. It has a very skin-like finish. It is very lightweight and it has the right amount of coverage. Now this video is in partnership with Maybelline, but my love for the Fit Me range is genuine. I've been using the foundation and the concealer for years and years. The concealer that I used after the foundation is in the shade 15. I've been using this concealer for as long as I can remember. I used it when I was in college. I used the foundation also when I was in college, and now the bottle has a pump and they also have a smaller size. When I used it, it did not have a pump or a smaller size, but I've gone through bottles and bottles of the foundation and the concealer. I love them that much. So yeah, I just used these two on my face. The shade, if I did not mention, is 15 Light. Then to set the area around my eye, I used the loose powder, the Fit Me loose powder, also in the shade 15 Light. This has a tiny bit of coverage, but not too much to the point where, it will take away the concealer's color or anything. It is a very light, softly milled powder, very beautiful. Also, I have a lot of creasing, which is why I used this powder. Then for the rest of my face, I used the Fit Me compact powder. Now this powder is very lightweight, so I wanted something that does not make me feel very powdery, so that's why I used this, and because I had to wear a mask that day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how my foundation looks, and I did the rest of my makeup off camera. And yeah, I even wore a mask to show you that the foundation did not transfer on the mask, and I really was surprised by that actually. And yeah, I love this foundation. I love this range. All the product links will be in the description, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.